Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and I'm so excited to share this month's Flavors of the Month with you. This kit includes 4 brand new collections. You always receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. And if you haven't already noticed, this month has several highly sought after collections. So I know everybody's kind of on a tight budget right now with all of the increasing prices. But let me tell you, this is a great way to save money and be economical in your scrapbooking and get all of the newest, latest products. And along with your kits, each month you receive recipe cards. So for the flavors of the month, you'll receive 4 recipe cards, and these are for double page layouts that our design team designs just for you, and then they give you the full instructions to create them and a color photograph so that you can see what it's going to look like in the end. As a subscriber, you also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed exclusively for you by Cut to You, and this month is this awesome Our Home banner sign. So it's going to go perfect with all of the collections this month. You also get a sample of gourmet coffee. So you can sip on that while you open your box and check out all of the goodies, or while you start creating with them. You just get overloaded with goodies from the Scrap Room. So this month, our 4 collections is Cartabella Homemade, Paige Evans Garden Shop, Simple Stories, The Simple Life, and Vicki Booten Paint Shop. So I know you're as excited as I am to dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive this month. So let's get started. Our first collection is from Cartabella, and this collection is called Homemade, so it's all about home. This is that wonderful textured heavy cardstock weight paper that Cartabella is known for. You're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock and this beautiful floral. I just love the yellows in this collection. On that green, the back is a peachy pink red plaid that's watercolor. It's gorgeous. That paper is called Floral Clusters. And then we have little white flowers on that butter yellow background. The back is a green with a little scallop. This one's called Small and Simple. And we have a gorgeous floral print, all the different wildflowers and sunflowers and little roses. The back is a white polka dot on red, and this one's called Sweet Floral. So you can see it's very country feeling, homey. It's just gorgeous. And then for your embellishments, you're going to get that full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I love to receive these. So we have a border of the florals. We have word labels. We have this gorgeous banner here. Words that you can use in your titles or for your title. Pies, everything about home. Look at all of these gorgeous yellow flowers here. Things that you could sit and make a little scene up. I love the little animals. We have pigs and chickens and a rooster and a dog. We just need a cat. Where's the cat? We have to have a barn cat. So family, where life begins and love never ends. So that is your homemade collection from Cartabella. Our next collection is Garden Shop from Paige Evans, and I know you all love your Paige Evans collections. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Blue Star cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one, paper number 2, which is the large florals. The back is this half circle design done in the strips, and if it shows up, they're like little lines. So that's in the orange, the full branding strip of the flowers on the other side. Paper 19 is a rainbow. It's a grid, stripes. Love how it overlaps and the colors change throughout. The back is that same kind of periwinkle blue with dots. We have paper 15, which are these cute little birds on the branches. On the background's kind of that Williamsburg blue. The back is a white dot on butter yellow. Again, full branding strips of the other side that you can use on all of those papers. And then for your embellishments, you're going to get 1 6 by 12 of sticker sheet. So you're going to get one side or the other. This is the one that I got. Again, has those cute little chicken rooster and the little dog with his basket. We have some borders, the farm truck. Super cute. Little books. So that is Garden Shop from Paige Evans. This is The Simple Life from Simple Stories, and it's a simple design. It's got a very simple color palette. I love the gray and the black with just that soft green and blue. It's just beautiful. You're going to start with 2 sheets of cinder cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Gather, Eat, Laugh, which is the butterflies and the large and the smaller, and then it also has the little bees. So these would be fun to fussy cut for embellishments. The back is this small floral print on that blue. Then we have Happy Together, which is reminiscent of like an old wallpaper with the florals. It's just beautiful on the green. And the back is a ticking striped design. Again, just gorgeous. Just has that old antique-y feel. This paper, Sit a While, is the beautiful floral on the black. And the back is this gorgeous wood grain. It's the distressed white paint on the barnwood. It's just beautiful. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam phrases. So all of your embellishments will vary, but this is what I got. So several things that I can use for titles. You're going to get some of the brads, and then you're going to get a mixture of the floral and journal bits. So these like this are from the journal bits kit, so you can add journaling. And then from the floral, we have some that has color, and then the black and white florals and the butterflies and the little bees. It's just beautiful. So that is The Simple Life from Simple Stories. Our final collection is from the amazing Vicki Boutin, and this is the Print Shop. So it is very Vicki Boutin. You're going to get all of the colors, all of the mixed media without having to do the work. It's just so much fun. So you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Flourish, which are all of these flowers that are made out of all the different pattern papers. Fantastic to fussy cut and add for embellishments. The back is a purple polka dot and a full branding strip of a blue floral. This one called Etched, which is strips of paper in all of the different colors with these lines. It just kind of looks like a fabric type effect. The back is the gorgeous blue floral on blue. This one called Assemble, which is all of the different pattern papers and assembled together like Vicki would do on a background, except for she did it for you. We have the tape, the ink splatters, so much fun. The back is this gorgeous tone-on-tone red floral print, full branding strip of the ink pen with the pink blotches. So beautiful, bright colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces from that chipboard sticker sheet. So again, all of your embellishments will vary, but this is a good representation. I have a camera, lots of little word phrases and florals. Then you're going to get some pieces from the papery pieces. So these are new to me. I don't remember these in other collections, but this is a really thin, lightweight paper. And it's kind of like if you went to an antique store and you got like a bag of old receipts and papers and things like that, which mixed media artists love to use that to build up. So that's what this reminds me of. So don't think cardstock weight. This is from the papery pieces. So this is thin paper. Guest check. So again, all of these are going to vary. But lots of different little just good bits and pieces to tuck in and embellish, and very Vicki Boutin. So that is Vicki Boutin's Print Shop. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to download all your freebies and join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Check out all of the challenges that we have. You can enter your pieces that you're working on for some great prizes. And check out the inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. There is so much going on. Don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.